Hey, traders. Yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day and another time. So I'm going to share analysis on gold. So this is gold spot, and I'm going to do a top-down analysis. And it is just from monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame. I do the wave counts, the trend lines, and also I read the candlesticks. So in conference of all those things, actually, I'm able to provide a probable direction for next week. So let me start with the monthly chart, and also I'm in a monthly time frame right now. So what we see here is the monthly candlesticks. So now recently we see March candle gained very strong bullish momentum, and then we see April candle is doing the same thing. So now this shows that buyers are dominating price direction on gold at this price level. So now this is following several months sideways movement. So currently price opened to the upside, and it is very beautiful trending to the upside. So now based on this strength, actually in a lower time frame, we can see now at what level of price development we can find such a stronger movement to the upside. But basically, currently we can see buyers are dominating price, and we are unable to predict now how far this movement is going to take place, because we don't have any previous levels where gold may be turned previously. So basically, let us have an idea of powerful buy momentum in the monthly time frame. Then we go down to weekly time frame. Now in weekly time frame, basically we can have an idea of three-wave swing to the upside, and I've been talking about this. Even though this week I have changed something, I have updated something, because previously we had the first swing here, three-wave to the upside correction, then I labeled this as another swing, then a correction, then this was the final swing. But I've changed this because this week was the final week to confirm if this qualified to be the third wave. Now this swing here, so it has disqualified because the current move here has gained enough length now, more than this one, so it exceeded this one. So based on the Elliott wave rules, now the third wave cannot be the shortest. That's why now I have discovered that now the first swing, bigger correction, plus this one, they compose just a single swing to the upside. So this will be, the whole thing here is going to be the third wave. So that is powerful in weekly time frame. And also we see, I expect now, as I've said, in the monthly time frame, we still see bullish momentum. So now in the weekly time frame, now this can correlate with that, because we have those trend lines here. So I've developed these trend lines that have at least two previous touches, and we see now two trend lines are merging at this region. So now this can be a clear indicator of a possible price touch at this level and turn to the downside in most cases. So that is very powerful in weekly time frame. Then quickly I can go down to daily time frame to see what are the key things. And yeah, in daily time frame, I can start with the one thing. I highlighted this in my previous analysis. It was on description, so I wrote description explaining about this. Now this is all about the volume. Now if you look on now price movement at this region, you see we have this level here and also the next swing above here. So this correlates with these lower levels down here, this one plus this one. But the basic idea here is that when there is formation of new high in a price chart, the RSI is forming lows, the higher lows. So you will find that always this indicates that volume is decreasing at this level. So in daily time frame, there's decrease in volume, and this is the clear indicator of a possible price turn at this level. So possibly price is going to turn around this level. So those are some of the indicators of a possible correction. It may not be 100% change in trend, but there's a possibility of correction in this time frame. So I can remove those levels here, but we have already got something for a possible turn to the downside. So as volume is decreasing, and we still have this space here, so there's a possibility now of price to slightly continue pushing to the upside until it hit at this level. Then from there we'll be having a clear chance of price turning to the downside, as the volume has already started decreasing, as we see right here. So that's powerful in daily time frame, and also price will come here because of those trend lines. That is very, very important. So let me see price projection now. Let me see the 4-hour time frame and provide the price projection. So basically in 4-hour time frame we have the trend lines as usual, but I've added other levels. So we see the expanding channel here, we see the expanding channel. So volume has been increasing as price is moving to the upside. So this will help to provide a projection now for next week. As I've said, volume is decreasing. There is divergence or failure of spike. So that is the indicator of a possible turn to the downside. But we still have some bullish momentum in higher time frames like the weekly and monthly time frame. So okay, so what are we expecting next week? So price may do something like this. So next week price may continue hugging this thing. Price may continue hugging this thing up to this level. So that is possible. And then finally we can see a drop like this. So this is one of the projection for next week. Price may continue hanging this upper channel to the upside and then break and come out of the channel. That is possible. That is one. And alternatively, we can see another type of movement. Alternatively, we can have another type of movement where price may, because actually we have another thing here that's very important. We have a level, a 2400 level. Where is it? 2400. It's right here. So at this region, we have a 2400. You see this level here, a 2400. So as I'm predicting the upward movement on gold, I also consider the 2400. So basically, price may not move as far as high like this. So it may turn around 2400 because it is a psychological level. So price may rise up to 2400, then break and come out of this channel. So that is one. So basically, I don't much suggest taking buys at this level. Maybe if you can take the short-term buys, but in most cases I can suggest to wait and see because price may possibly slightly push, come down and do something like this. So it may not go as far as to those levels up there, but it may break and come out of this channel here. So if price is going to come out of this channel, so we'll be looking for sales. But basically, I can recommend to start selling when the price is trading below 2266. So when the price at least break this level down here. So when the price at least break this level down here, so it's when we can comfortably look for the possible sells. But if price is trading above 2266, it is high risk to take sells because there's a possibility of price pushing to those levels indicated by those trend lines. So those are the projections. So make sure that you do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders to have confidence, and you have to take what you call the risk management when you take trades. Now you have to consider risk management. So that's powerful, and have a powerful weekend, and I hope you'll have a beautiful trading week or next week. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.